Meaning of impervious.
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 Impervious. The term impervious refers to something that is completely resistant to penetration or has the inability to be affected or influenced by something. This could refer to physical objects such as a material that is impervious to water or air, or to the emotional state of a person who is impervious to criticism or compliments. The result of being impervious is often a sense of invincibility and protection from external forces. However, it can also lead to a lack of vulnerability and inability to connect with others on a deeper level. Overall, being impervious can have both positive and negative consequences depending on the context and situation.